school bus. Let's go pick up the kids and send them to the kindergarten.
You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving.
Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go.
Which path do you want to take?
Tap to equip the magical item. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag.
Welcome! You can get a gift when you finish shopping. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot.
I've bought everything I want. Thank you. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus.